they should stay here rather than roll back. They should roll forward. I have it correctly assembled, but as you can see, these things go this way, and this is where they're joined. So it is built backwards.
This is my pantry. It's 24 inches deep. And I was trying to figure out a way to use the space. I think this rack will be okay. It holds plenty of soup cans and cans, all different sizes. We'll see how it works. My husband might get frustrated because you have to kind of roll around the cans to see what's in there. It's kind of tight to have that many cans in there, but it's good.